Hello, my name is James. Today, I have another wonderful lecture by Neville Goddard. The Power of Decision. Welcome to the Power of Decision. Today I am delighted to share with you the ways in which decision-making can be the key to unlocking limitless possibilities in the pursuit of your dreams. Decision-making is an essential component of success in any endeavor. There is a reason that we hear it over and over again: those who make decisions control their own destinies. It's true, by making decisions in your life, you can open up doors to greater freedom and immense potential. At its core, decision-making is an act of belief. When you make a decision, you are telling yourself that you have the power and the ability to create the outcome you desire. You are demonstrating faith in yourself and the universe, believing that the outcome of your decisions will be positive. When you make decisions based on your beliefs, you are showing the universe that you are ready and willing to take the necessary steps to realize your dreams and achieve success. The first step in decision-making is to understand your desired outcome. What do you truly want? Have clarity on your goals and ideals before you make any major choices. Spend time visualizing and getting comfortable with your desired outcome. Then, take the time to deeply consider the consequences of each decision that you make. Consider how it will affect what you want in life. Make sure every decision you make serves your higher purpose and is in alignment with your desired outcome. Once you have clarity on your desired outcome, the next step is to take action. Successful decision makers are those who are able to make decisions quickly and who are willing to accept the risks that come with those decisions. You can always make adjustments and refine your decisions as you move forward, but it's important to have the courage to take action. Don't let fear hold you back. If you would like to achieve your dreams, you must be willing to take action and courageously commit to your decisions. The power of decision is an empowering force that can propel you towards achieving your goals and dreams. By making decisions and taking action, you are creating your own reality. Your faith in yourself and the universe allows you to manifest the life that you desire. Thank you for taking the time to explore the power of decision with me today. I trust that the journey ahead of you is bright and filled with limitless opportunities to reach your highest potential. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It is greatly appreciated, more than you know. Peace be still.